Hey, I just wanted to share this really quick tip that I thought of. If you're new to painting miniatures and you're not necessarily ready to leap into buying really expensive paints like the Citadel line or whatever, but you're trying to match colors as close as you can, if you're using whatever other brands, even if you're using other high quality paints and you want to try and match the recommendation for Citadel paints, I thought of this idea of using Photoshop to give a general idea of sampling off of the official Citadel line of paints PDF, and when you do this, you can kind of see the general mixture of colors to get to the desired result. Citadel Paints PDF, something like that. Citadel Painting System, Games Workshop. So there you go. Download this really quick and throw it into Photoshop. Before I thought of this, I was trying to get Rhinox hide. By looking at my computer screen, depending on how your monitor is calibrated, it's going to look kind of different, but go to the eyedropper tool here, and you can just sample like that and open up your color swatch, and it'll tell you like, okay, so this is a blend of the core color here is red, and then it's mixed in with some kind of equal parts of black and white. So I used a dark charcoal, and then I was able to even compare. What I ended up using was some magenta, and the comparatively, like, this is about where my color ended up right here, and this is the desired color according to sampling the Citadel PDF. So I was able to learn, okay, so next time I mix this color, I'm going to use just sort of like a basic red in my charcoal, and I should have a closer result. So that's that little tip for you. Thanks for watching.